My name is Karen and I work at the York County Library. Thank you for joining me today for a craft tutorial. We are making these cute little pencil topper monsters. And these are pretty simple to make. You can make different characters if you want. I like the monster one. So I'm going to show you how to make your own monster. What you will need is a pencil, regular old pencil, a pipe cleaner full size, and some smaller pipe cleaners. We're going to make these into our antennas, and a few smaller ones also that we're going to use as our stripes. Oh, and also a couple of Google eyes. Those will come in handy, and some school glue. Well, there we go. To start, what you will need are your pencil and your full-size pipe cleaner. And we are simply going to start a little ways down the pencil and start wrapping it. We'll wrap it tightly around the pencil. We can always adjust it at the end if we need to, so we'll see how it works out here. It looks close. Oh, the top is still showing, so we're going to want to scrunch it so it kind of covers up the top. Okay? So there you can see what it looks like. So now we are ready for our stripes. So again, we're going to loop it around. And loop it tightly so it will stay in place. And next one, we're going to loop a little further up. And last one. I'll loop it tightly. Okay. So there we are. Now we are ready for our antennas. And to start off, you will want to loop down the top just a little bit. There we go. You see that? And we'll do the same with the other one. To give it that antenna look. And now we're looking for the first loop at the top of the pencil. And we will loop the antenna through and close it around that loop. Can you see that? So that it will stay in place. And the same thing now. We're going to loop. We're going to put this through that top loop, top of the pencil, and bring the piece back around so that it will stay in place. Okay, so I'm keeping those antennas toward the back of my character, right? Now we are ready for those eyes. We'll need just a little bit of glue. And we'll put one there. And you'll want to press them into place. I'd give it just a few minutes to let it dry. But essentially, you've got your little monster character. And we'll let it dry there. Well, thank you for joining me today. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out the York County Library's YouTube page for more craft tutorials. And also be sure to check out our events calendar at yclibrary.org, and you can find out more about what's coming up at the library. All right, take care all. Bye.